establish your jab. What does this term mean when boxers use it? You gotta go out there and establish your jab. Meaning you gotta land it, don't just throw it. You gotta have a jab with purpose to set up other punches, to make connection. The fight last week with Terence Crawford and Errol Spence, Errol Spence's jab just wasn't established. It did not land. Well, I always had said that he kind of flares his elbow, drops it, and throws it out. But didn't even follow through. Kind of threw it like this, and was just throwing it. He's almost giving it away. It was coming every few seconds. Easy for Crawford to pick it off, block it. So you can't land your jab on your opponent. What are you going to do? That weapon is taken away. Crawford realizes he's not going to break my rhythm. I'm going to be able to counter. And you're pretty much sit and duck for your opponent. You don't want to just go out there, light on your feet, and just put it out there, just for the sake of throwing it. You want to be able to land it and set it up. I always talk about setting up your jab. For example, you don't just look for the opening. Look where it's going to land. Maybe feint, left hand for feint it, and shoot it straight in. I do it with my left hand. When I come out, your hands are up like this. Looking your opponent over, looking for an opening. Feint this way, feint that way. Feint high, come low. Like this. But turn it over, get it in there. Look for the opening. A lot like Marvin Hagler did. What he would look to get it in between the gloves, all the way through. You know, not just halfway. It's got to be all or nothing. You got to be able to feint, shoot straight in there. But you notice Spence in that fight, he did not throw anything else. It was just so methodical. It was just the right jab. Over a couple, tripled up. Another thing, he was bringing his head in close. The whole purpose of the jab is to hit your opponent where he can't hit you. Make contact. Wasn't doing that though, I was surprised. He was coming in with his head wide open for the counters. You want to keep this protected and reach out. Even with me, 72-inch reach, I can still get pretty far because of my technique, my stance, relaxation, and straight in. Keeping your head back, keeping out of the action, looking around. Don't just throw it and think that it's okay. You gotta place it where you want it. Don't just chuck it out there. Place it. Think about where you want it to go. Feints, okay, with the feet, the shoulders, then let it go. You did double up on it a few times, and that's good. That's when you're moving in. A little more about the jab I want to talk about. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, it's Uncle Robert.